Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy BlueBoyFX, and I'm here to share these indicator settings with you, which you can use to catch spikes and also use to scalp effectively on the crash. I'm going to be doing this video for the crash right now because I have seen a better setup that will really explain this. This is a Crash 300, as a lot of you know that I love trading the Crash 300 a lot. But we can't find the right setup right now for us to say, okay, let's deal with this, or let's go into this trade, because there are things that you have to put into place, okay, before you actually go in for a sell or a buy on this with these indicator settings. So I'm going to be sharing the indicator settings with you, but we are not going to be dealing with the Crash 300, but rather we are going to be dealing with the Crash 1000. And as you can see, I have the indicators running, but I'm still going to take it off. Okay, so please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you are new to the channel, do what to subscribe, like the video, share it to your friends, and you're going to love every bit of it. So I'm going to take off all the indicators, and you see now that my chart is clear. There are no indicators running on the background, and we are going to add them one after the other. So the first indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the Ichimoku, and the settings here you can just screenshot them, or let me read them out. We have the Tenkan Sen, which has 9, the Kijun 26, and the span B 52. You will not click on the fill, okay? You will not click on it, it's going to be empty. You apply this to all time frames, and the Tenkan is going to carry a black color, and if you're using a white background, just use the same colors I'm using, okay? So the Tenkan is going to carry a black, and you can use a bigger pixel, 3 pixel, and the rest of the style is going to be white. And when you're done, you click on done. You see down that appears on the main chart. So the main chart too is going to also show us a bit of what we need to know. It's also part of the confirmation that you will need. So I'm going to be showing you the confirmations you will need on the main chart and also on the indicator window one, because we're going to be adding more indicators. So the next indicator you want to add will be the stochastic oscillator. Okay, this is it. It carries a K period of 1, D period of 1, slowing 1, price field low stroke high. Method is simple. The levels there are 20 and 80, which you can use buy and sell. So the buy region is going to be 20, the sell region is going to be 80. When you're done, you can use any color. When you're done, you click on done. You go back okay, also note that the main and signal lines are going to be white. It's not going to be in use, so you're going to click on done, and this is how it appears on your chart. The next thing you're going to do is we're adding the awesome oscillator. We're going to be adding the awesome oscillator. Okay, the awesome oscillator, it's just going to carry the default settings, which the value up will be green and the value down will be red. And when you click on done, it appears like this. And now the last thing that we want to add to this chart, to our indicator window one, okay, to this part of the indicator, is going to be the moving average. So the settings for the moving average, it carries a period of 1. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to previous indicators. The data is PID. There are no levels. All time frames, and you can use any color. You can use any color. You can decide to use this yellow or blue or whatever it is. Just use any color that suits you. Okay, so let's use something like this and click on done, and this is how it appears on your chart. Now this video is going to be a short video. It's not going to be a very long one, no. But now let's do an analysis. Just join me. But before anything, you know that this is time to buy. It's a time to buy because price has gotten to this level here. Okay, price has gotten to that level there, so you know it's time to buy. So I'm going to be showing you different confirmations you will need. Okay, but let's do an analysis together. Let's just analyze this market together. Okay, so as everyone knows, I love starting with the higher time frame. Okay, I love starting with the higher time frame. And at this level here we have a support which is very far from our from where price is at the moment. This is the daily time frame, 24 hours. So you can now go down to 4 hours because we want to catch what's going on between where the price is and the last place that it rejected from. So now we've gotten our support and our resistance, and price is actually at this level right now. Price is actually at this level right now. And this is the 4 hours, but also know that we are going to be using the lower time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame, to run this thing up. Okay, we're going to be using the 15 minutes time frame to run this up because we want to catch spikes and we want to catch we want to also scalp. Looking at the 4 hours, you've seen that market has gotten to this level, which actually depicts that it's time to sell the market. Now, going to a lower time frame, the 1 hour, you've seen that market has already started rejecting at that point. But because you want to go in for a quick sell or a quick buy, we now go down to the 30 minutes. Now, what's the 30 minutes showing us? It's showing us that it's creating higher highs, although it's actually has started rejecting from here, which is a very strong resistance level. But what is it showing us? It's showing us that market is actually going to buy, because on this indicator window, market, the price has gone below the level 20, which is the oversold region, and it's time for market to buy. Okay, so we now go to the 15 minute, which is the time frame that this indicator works on. So now, how do you know that it's time for you to go in for a buy? I've already mentioned one thing about price coming down to this level, and it's at the buy region. Okay, it's at the buy region. So what you look out for is market coming down to this level, and it's changing from the red to the green. Changing from the red to the green. Let me show you this. This changes from red to green, and that's one of the confirmations that you need, that your purple line, which is from the moving average, and the stock oscillator, they have all come below the level 20, which is the buy region. And once it starts turning green, you now go in for a buy. And now let's look for the confirmation on our main indicator window. Let's say you want to buy. Now what you have to look out for is price getting above the moving average, the Ichimoku, which is on the main window. This is the Ichimoku, which is this black line running. But now we expect what will give us an entry is a confirmation, is when price has gotten from being below to being above the Ichimoku. Okay, so that's the confirmation you are supposed to take on the main chart, on the main window. And the confirmation you need on this other window is on the indicator window 1, is when the moving average gets under the level 20, and the red line, this line, the pressure line, the bearish line, now change to green. Okay, that gives you an entry. So as you can see, market has been buying up to this level, just as it did here. Okay, but also what will help you is if you have done your analysis to know that Once market gets to this level, it's actually going to pull down again, okay? Because it's already showing on the main charts that there is a confirmation here, but there's no confirmation on this other part because it hasn't actually shown us the entry of it going over to the overbought region. Okay, so it's now for you to do your analysis as we did here on the higher time frame, for you to see, oh, that's a very major resistance. But since we are just here to scalp, okay, since we are just here to scalp using the 15 minutes time frame, you've seen that this has changed from red to green. And on our main window, let's see, on our main window, price is yet to get, because it has to get from being below, it has to get above, so we have to wait for it to get above. Once it goes above, we now go in. But this has already given us one of the indications that it's time to buy. But also don't forget, our analysis on the higher time frame shows that that is a very strong resistance, which you don't have to play with. Okay, so actually what you'll be looking out for at this point is to scalp very little profits and leave the market, because on the 15 minutes you can see that there is also a trend. There is also a trend here of markets going up and down, okay? Oh, sorry, of markets selling. So you won't ignore all of this. Even while you're using the indicators, also try to use your eye to observe some things, okay? So observe some things. Had it been that we went in for a scalp, we would have made profit, okay, enough to catch at least a few candlesticks, talking about 10 to 15 candlesticks, and we'll be out of the market. Because while we were on this video, we had this spike that came, but now counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you've seen that we have been able to, we have been able to capture at least 7 candlesticks after that spike, okay, after that spike. But you won't want to use the 1 minute time frame for this. Why? Because we are looking for higher probabilities of the market buying for a longer period of time. Because if you're using the 1 minute time frame, you won't actually see the analysis correctly. There are too many noise, there are too much noise if you're using that to look at the indicators. So it's rather good that you do your analysis, have your support and resistance the close to where the price is. Try to have your support and resistance close to where the price is, and you will now see that this is going to help you more while still using the indicators. As I said, the indicators, you use it to scalp some profits, 15 candlesticks, and you're out of the market. But when you want to catch spikes, you are very sure of catching spikes with your full chest. Now, no, you've seen that even on the 4 hours, it's showing us that price is actually soon going to get here. That's the little buy that we are waiting for. Okay, that's the little buy that we are waiting for. Indicator on the 15 minutes shows a buy. Okay, that's the little buy we are waiting for. And after it gets to that level again, we might actually have to go in for a major sell. We might actually go in for a major sell. You see this place here, went up, sold, came up, and still sold. But although it hasn't gotten to this level yet, it's for it to get up to this level and sell down to our bot region for us to buy for a long time. So we are looking at high probability trades. Okay, what is high probability trade? Giving us so much more profit than it's supposed to. So please, if this video is useful to you, like, share, and don't forget to join the free Telegram channel, which is free. The description of this video carries the link to the free Telegram channel, and we'll be waiting to get you pumped up. So don't fail to join us. We have the mentorship running, we have account management, and a whole lot. And and here we have the VIP. Here we have the VIP. We give signals. This was the Celsius 51s, the step index, and we deal on other trades as well. not just the boom and crash, but the whole synthetic indices. So join the free Telegram channel, which is free, but the VIP you pay, and we get you up and running, where we give signals every day. We are here to give signal this morning, but I'm going to be giving the crash 1000. And yeah, I told you that this works on the crash and the boom. Now let's go back to the boom 300, crash 300, to see if it's going to give us what we need. So now, what is the crash 300 showing us? It's showing us that it's time to sell, being that it has gotten to this level. But now we are waiting for it to change to the red. Okay, to change to the red. The 4-hour candlestick has shown a very huge crash. Now let's go to the 15 minutes. Now what's the 15 minutes showing you? It's showing you that it has gotten to this overbought region, and it probably might give you a buy. But now, if you have not done your analysis on the higher time frame and on the lower time frame, now I'm going to shift this. This is no more valid. This is an old trend line, which if you trace it back, you see why it was here. So you see that it was actually useful, but now we are dealing with these present positions, so we have to adjust all of this. Now we go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour too, we can see that we have a little bit of support which served as a resistance. It was a resistance here before it finally broke. Okay, so this analysis, now we've done this, we've looked at the market well within this short period, and now we are waiting for executions on the lower time frame. Now you see that once market might actually get to this level, it might actually start reversing. What do you see? You see that here is there was a little bit of ranging here, and on this part you see that it came down and wasn't able to break the structure until this later moment where it broke, retested, and started buying. So you won't be ignoring all these facts. So market might likely come here and start going back up. So but now, on the why we didn't want to treat this was because it didn't give us the opportunity, as that when we started this video, it didn't come down to this level to show us it's time to buy. Okay, you have to also study candlesticks. This is a very huge candlestick, a very strong bearish candlestick, which might really have effect on the next candle, 4-hour candle that is coming. Okay, so 4-hour candle is very important. It shows you strong resistance, take noises of the market, and makes it more like for you to see what the market is actually all about. Okay, because I deal with price action, and I really need to play around with all time frames to see what has happened in the past, and probably to know what's going to happen in the present. So please do well to subscribe, like this video, join the free Telegram channel, and you are going to love it in there. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And also use this on your demo account, and make sure you have an edge over the market before trying it on your real account. So you see that market is still climbing. Where's the 15 minutes? Market is still buying. So while buying, we also won't ignore this trend, and we won't ignore this resistance here. Okay, so a lot of things to look out for. As I said earlier, we're using the 15 minutes, where market, as you see right now, it's about, is now, it has gone from being below to being above. So now once it curves, it's going to be above, and this has also changed and giving us some greens. Okay, and this already gave us the first indication of us going in for a buy. But this one will always take time for it to curve over, for it to go in for your buy. So you also have to put a lot of things, analysis, look at the market from different time frames, and it will help you confirm what you need to know. So even if you look at this chart now, you also see that there is a sort of trend here as well. Okay, there's a sort of trend here as well. So this could be a channel trading What is channel trading? Trading in channels. Like if I could actually get a link from somewhere to this level here, is going to be a channel, but that's not actually a channel right now yet, until it is fully made. So thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you guys on the next video, and I hope to see you in class as well. Join us and you won't regret, and you're going to change your life forever. You are going to be out of that poverty stricken condition into a better condition. So don't play with this. Join the blue white team and you're going to make it big. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.